Okay, another question is people go, is it hot all the time? Because there's a natural assumption, because we're in East Africa, that it's hot. Now, of course, every part is different. We live in Nairobi, which is a city, which is on a very large hill. You go about an hour out of town, and there is a big difference in weather. So July is our coldest time of the year. We don't have a lot of rain. It usually only happens a couple of times a year. That would be around December and then maybe in April. But it's changed a lot. We had one year we were here that it didn't rain for actually 18 months. So when we get a rain, we say it's a blessing, usually when we have visitors. There have even been floods that have happened, and it's been quite incredible this year. But it's not always hot. Right now I'm in jeans and I've got a cardigan on, which I probably don't really need. And a lot of the time it is quite warm, but not extremely hot. In Nairobi, we don't often get above 30 degrees, and we usually don't get below 13. That's pretty much the same throughout the year. And because we're close to the equator, it gets dark every night at 7 p.m. and light around 6:15, 6:20ish. And that's standard throughout the year. We don't have daylight savings or anything like that. Now, you travel maybe 4 or 5 hours out of Nairobi and it gets hot, and it's hot all the time. When I say hot, like 35 plus. The heat here is also very dry. We don't get humidity a lot because of where we are in sub-Saharan Africa. You travel to places like Uganda, which is our next door neighbour country, and it's a lot warmer there. So it all just depends on where you are. We happen to live in a very good place where it's pretty much like this. Every now and then we have a little hiccup. We have amazing thunder and lightning storms, and we don't have anything. Well, no, that's not true. I was going to say we don't have snow, but there is a mountain that has snow. And we even have hail sometimes, but not very often, so it's quite spectacular when we do. But when it rains, it's not nice little gentle coming down rain. It buckets. It is quite incredible, which is okay if you live in a place like we do, but if you live in a very poor area where you might live in a tin shack, and it leaks like a sieve, it's not great. So we're very blessed where we are. So there you go. It's not always really hot in East Africa.